Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another video. I'm super pumped about this video because this is the first episode of what I hope to be a weekly series called What Sold Wednesday. Basically every Wednesday, my idea is to take what has sold for the previous week and show all the very best sellers in terms of ROI or net profit. And then in an effort to bring the community together, I sent out messages through my Instagram to let other resellers know that I will be featuring people that send me their information as well. So if you have something that's really cool that sold and you want to see it featured on a What Sold Wednesday video, send me that information and you will see it in a future video. As this series becomes a little bit more popular, hopefully, we may see sort of a delay in how fast things get loaded. I don't want to do any more than maybe 10 items per What Sold Wednesday. Maybe we'll go longer depending on how this series is received. So I sent out a few messages. I got a few responses. People sent me their best 1 or 2 items. And so I'm going to share them with you today. I'm going to kick off this episode with my own items that I resold. So I have 7 items that I'm going to share with you. And these sold within the past month, I guess. But a few of these within the past week, and so those will be what I'm sharing. The first one here is a vintage Christian Dior one size fits all men's red, white, and blue bathrobe with belt. It's vintage. I don't know if I said that. I bought this for $7 and sold it for, the actual sale price was $38.30 with that's with the calculated shipping that I put in with that. eBay fees $5.21. PayPal fees $1.69. My shipping was $7.61. My net profit was $23.79. The next thing we have, super excited about these. These were featured in a recent video that I did. These are the Ralph Lauren Woodland Military Cargo Surplus Pants. They are by Ralph Lauren Surplus brand. And I paid $5 for these at Goodwill, listed them. They sold within 3 or 4 days. Sold them for $79.99, free shipping. The breakdown is as such. Paid $5, sold for $80, $9.80 for eBay fees, $3.15 for PayPal fee. Shipping cost was $7.61. Profit, 59 bucks. We've got a lot to do here, so I'm just gonna keep moving. I'm including these, not a great flip, I guess, but they're okay. Calvin Klein boots, I got these at Goodwill. They were virtually brand new. They did not have the sticker on them, but I could tell, like you look at the bottom, they had never been worn. So I sold them as very good condition and told, put it in the listing that they had never been worn. Paid $5, sold for $40, free shipping. Fees altogether were $7, $8.34 for shipping, and $24 net profit. Next were these Nike Air Force One High Elevate, I don't know, Just Do It. They were youth, so I paid $3, sold them for $35. My profit on these was $19.63 after fees. Next, these Caterpillar Kneader canvas shoes. I got these at Goodwill for $5.25. I sold them for $50 plus free shipping. Fees were $7.60. Shipping was $12.80. I walked away with $28 in profit for these. Not bad. Kind of excited about this. This is an older sale. These sold back in December, I think, late December. I paid $1 for these. They sold for 45 bucks. I would say shipping, it was first class, so $4 or $5, $6 maybe. Fees, you can decide. I guess, yeah, like $35 profit, maybe 30 bucks profit. Another one right here, paid $1 for this as well. Sold it for $64. Vintage tarot cards go really well. Excellent condition. Let's see. Yeah, 64 bucks free shipping. Once again, I sent it first class, and so $5 or $6 shipping, and then minus fees. Made 40 bucks on it, I guess, somewhere around there. Like I said, I don't have that spreadsheet open currently, so that's the deal. I'll share with you now other things. Right here, we have these. I'll just read the caption to you while I show you what these are. This is from @StephanieKGB. Hey Nick, here's my submission for What Sold Wednesday. I had no idea what these were, but thankfully most were marked. German cookie molds. Got 10 of them for $14 at Goodwill. 4 have sold. These 3 shown here were a total revenue for these 3 was $133. Net profit was $102 after fees and shipping. Pretty exciting. Man, what a good find. That's excellent. On to the next. These Allen Edmonds made in Italy men's size 11. He paid, oh, this is from @FamilyPickin'. And he said he paid $4 for the Allen Edmonds. He said it's not necessarily a $50 or $100 flip, but still really good. And I have to agree, that's really great. $30 plus shipping is definitely, man, definitely worth it for sure. Family Pickin' also showed me some of their other sales that are actually pending right now. Really excellent stuff. Way to go. These next few are submitted from @it's_Larney. All right, the first one is this Body Boss Home Gym 2.0 full portable gym. Sold on Amazon for $189. Excellent. Sold on Amazon for $189. After fees, first off, cost of goods that he paid for this, $15. Turn 15 into 190. Net profit is $136. These were sold as FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. Fulfillment by Amazon, great job, turning $15 into $130. Way to go. After fees, that is. Awesome. Next is by the same @it's_Larney. Skylanders Trap Team replacement game only for PS4. Sold for $40. They paid $3.99 for that. Excellent. Seller proceeds after everything's said and done is $27.77. Hey, turned $4 into $27. Awesome. Great job. All right. These right here, stacking cups. This is eBay. Sold speed stacks stacking cup set, 12 black cups bag stack mat. Wow, that could be tongue twister or something. The stacking cup sold for $45, 13% in fees, minus shipping cost of $9.26, minus buy cost of $3. Net profit $26.85. Hey, what in the world? Turning $3 into $26? Win.
Win, win, win.
And then the next and final item from @it's_Larney is this Apple iPod Nano 7th generation silver 16 gig brand new factory. Wow. $200. The buy cost on this was $70, $26 in fees, net profit, net $100.10. When you can take 70 and make an additional 100 off of it, you are absolutely winning, my friend. Winning. Here's a cool little piece. This on eBay, submitted by @FrugalFamilyFarmFun. It's a fun name. 1986 Disneyland Playmates Train Play Set Complete Vintage Set Works. Please read. Hey, this looks really familiar to me. I was born in 1986 and I'm pretty sure we had one of these when I was a little kid. No doubt we got it from a thrift store, I'll tell you that much. This is totally awesome. Sold $67, free shipping. $7.51 cost of goods, $9.22 shipping. So a good $45 or so on this net profit. Hey, that's great. After fees, after shipping and cost of goods, probably, I don't know, $45 on this. That's pretty good, guys. You're winning. This next one is submitted by @Cody's Pursuit of Happiness. It is a vintage Smith Corona Electra 120 portable electric typewriter with case, tested. Sold $70 plus shipping. The typewriter, as well as the following item, which is a knife set, were both free from a good friend's storage unit. He moved his family to Florida and gave me pretty much 75% of everything that was in the storage unit for free. Here's a great example of, look, you don't have to have money to make money. Reach out, talk to your friends, see what stuff they have just stored, and they're just paying money to store their stuff. See if you can take it off their hands. Use the money that you make by selling it as seed money to start buying new stuff to flip. After eBay and PayPal fees, it was about $61 net profit for that typewriter. And then this knife set that I'm going to show you here sold $55 plus $8.75 shipping. List off 8-piece stainless steel steak knife set with presentation box. Sold knife set net profit was $47. Way to go, Cody. You winning, bro. This next one, I'm really excited about this. This is awesome. This one is submitted by @ThriftyB-word that I will not say. That Thrifty, I'll just put it down below, says, hey, really cool video you're doing. Thank you. Here's something that I sold last week. I paid $10 for this jacket at my local thrift and sold it for $85 on Poshmark. After fees, cost of purchase, I made a profit of $58. What? Guys, we live in like the greatest time in history for doing something, making money at it, and living life on your own terms. It's a Syracuse starter jacket, awesome colors on the side. That is, those are some great pictures you have there. I love shooting on a wood floor. That's what I do for my Poshmark and eBay and Mercari items. So excellent job on that. Great colors. This sold really fast, and that is the pictures are definitely something that helped that sell fast for sure. $85. You cannot argue with that. 10 and 85, guys. That's a super win. So look, if you want to see more stuff like these, you need to go check out their Instagrams that I have shown you. Hey guys, first off, I want to say thank you to all of those that submitted your pictures and your information, but you trusted me with that. And in turn, I want to say thank you for doing that. I hope you guys score major success in the coming days. All of you that are watching, I highly recommend that you go follow these people and check out the content that they're putting out on Instagram. Give them a follow. If you're not already subscribed to my channel here on YouTube, consider doing that. If you liked any one of the items that you saw up here today, whether it been the knife set, typewriter, the camouflage pants, the starter jacket, that 1986 Disney toy, whatever you liked on here, if you liked any single one thing, hey, be so kind and give a like to the video so we can show everyone how many things, how many people liked at least one item in this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to bring you an even more action-packed What Sold Wednesday next Wednesday. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.